درود everybody. Salam دوستان. Hi everyone. How are you doing? Yes, another lesson, another speak Persian now. So today I'm planning to teach you Persian seasons and months. Okay, let's get started. The first season is called Bahar. Bahar. Spring. Good. The next season is summer. Summer. So it is Tabestan. Again, Tabestan. What again? Tabestan. Good. The next season is fall. Yeah, yellow leaves everywhere. So in Persian, we say پاییز or پاییز. So say the easier one. پاییز. Again, پاییز. Very good. And the last season is, winter. It is called زمستان. 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 So everywhere is cold and you need to wear your shirt. Perfect. Good job. Let's move on to the next topic, that is the months of the Persian. Perfect. So, do you remember the first season? Yeah, come on, tell me. Yes, Bahar, spring. Bahar. So, now let me tell you the months of Bahar. Okay, the first one is Farvardin. Farvardin. Good. The second one is Ordibehesht. Ordibehesht. The third one is Khordad. 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 Perfect. Now let's move on to summer. Okay. Time for vacations. So summer starts with this month in Persian. Tir, very hot. Tir, tir, tir. The next month is Mordad. 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 And the last one of Tabestan is Shahrivar. Shahrivar. Perfect. Now let's move on to fall or پاییز. پاییز. So the first month of پاییز is Mehr. Mehr. And my birthday is in پاییز. The second month is آبان. 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 And the third one is آذر. 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 Good. Now it gets colder and I need to wear my beautiful shawl. So now it is winter or زمستان. زمستان. Okay, زمستان starts with the first month is day. Day. Yeah, it is pronounced just like the word day in English. Day. The second month is بهمن. بهمن. Bahman, very, very freezing. And the last month of Zemstan is my favorite. It is called Esfand. 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 Because Nowruz is coming after Esfand. So the first day of spring season and Farvardin month is Nowruz. Nowruz. Good. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So please tell me in the comments below what is your favorite season and why, and when is your birthday. Perfect. So okay, I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, خدا حافظ. خدا حافظ دوستان.